Okay, what's up, my YouTube peoples? What's going on? I'm gonna let you in on a new project that I'm gonna start to do. So, I noticed the other day that I need to replace my NAS server because my NAS server, I've had it for about 5 years, and anyone who knows about hard drives knows that the average lifespan of a hard drive is usually about 5 years before it starts to fail. So, with that in mind, I've decided to get started on replacing my NAS drive with a Raspberry Pi 4B. Alright, so the current NAS drive is this guy right here. That white thing right there. That is a Western Digital uh, MyCloud NAS drive, 6 terabyte. Okay? So that is going to be replaced with this guy right here. That is a Raspberry Pi 4B. Alright? So the operating system is going to be Open Media Vault, which is based on the Debian Linux distribution. And that is going to go on this flash drive right here. It's a 16 gigabyte SD card. Now, 16 gigabytes is a little overkill, but I couldn't find anything smaller, and it only cost me $5. So I'm like, why not? So this guy right here, it's what I'm going to use to flash the SD card with the Open Media Vault OS, the interface. Okay, this is a Ugreen SD card reader. Has all kinds of compatible slots, so this is going to work for me just fine. Okay. All right. So this here is an 8 terabyte external drive, also made by Western Digital. And rumor has it that this drive has a Western Digital red drive inside of it. Yeah. So originally I was going to get a separate red drive, an individual red drive. But the cost of an individual red drive is almost double of what I paid for this. Yeah. And this has, like I said, rumor has it that it also has a Western Digital red inside of it for almost half the cost, which is completely unbelievable, but it's a known fact. So, rather than get a separate hard drive, which I would still have to get the enclosure for anyway, which would probably add to the cost another $30 to $40, I got this. This I paid $139.99 at Best Buy, and it has the enclosure and the red drive inside of it. So why would I buy an individual red drive and then have to get the enclosure also? Doesn't make any sense. I'd be paying more than double of what I paid for this. And also, my original plan was to get a 6 terabyte, and this guy here is 8. So, yeah, saved a hell of a lot of money. So, this is going to be my NAS drive. This is going to power the NAS drive. Like I said, this is a Raspberry Pi 4B. This is where the OS is going to go, the interface, Open Media Vault, and this is what I'm going to use to flash the OS onto the SD card. So this is going to be my new NAS server. And let me show you guys the Raspberry Pi. So this has a gigabit Ethernet connection. It has two 3.0 USB ports and two 2.0 USB ports. Guess where the external drive is going to go? Yeah, on the USB 3.0 ports. Okay, so can't wait to get started on this thing and start replacing my my old NAS server that's there. And I got to move a hell of a lot of files and stuff like that. And It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to make another video showing you guys the interface of the Open Media Vault and showing you guys how it works. So stay tuned for the next video. Peace out. One love.